Russia's attack on Ukraine has changed the border dynamics for years to come. Europe has more than 2,500 kilometers of border with Russia, with Finland having more than half of this border zone. Due to the rapidly changing and evolving reconnaissance and warfare technology, Europe needs to prepare to have 100% accurate situational awareness of the border with Russia. Rumble Tools is offering one of the most advanced drone platforms for securing the eastern border of Europe. Solution provides scalable rapid deployment platform for border surveillance. Newest addition to their offering is multi-platform mobile drone wall, which combines off-road, offshore, and aerial vehicles as one holistic protective swarm for aerial surveillance on air, land, and sea, also providing a platform for third-party passive EV capabilities.